What's up, my beautiful Glam Squad? As always, this is your girl Dalou. Today I am in Cypress, Texas, a beautiful town. I am going to give you a tour of a beautiful, beautiful home. This home is huge and I love the layout. I can definitely see myself moving to Texas for this home. We have the men leading the way. Let's get started. As always, the first room is always the office. Y'all know how I do. I'm gonna take this moment to welcome all of my new friends to my channel. My name is Dalou. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. Please hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified as soon as I upload. And to all of you, my returning Glam Squad, thank you so much for all of your love and support. Please check me out on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Glam Style with Dalou.
We drove to New Jersey. Your eyes saying I'll be worried. You said it was nothing, but I knew you'd get buried. The sorrow of us, the sorrow of us. How did we end up here? We used to laugh so hard. When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go too far? We don't listen. It's like we don't know how to talk without the flames getting higher. You hear you and I hear me. Yeah, nothing else in between. Yeah, try to connect without making a scene, but we don't listen when we talk. We don't listen when we talk.
Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get
This home has 4 bedrooms, but I was not able to show you guys the other room because it is under construction. I did not get a chance to make it to the backyard because it was time to leave. They were about to close, but as you can see through the window, it is beautiful and spacious. And of course, there is no pool because it is a model home. They don't have pools in the model homes. Glam Squad, please share your thoughts. Let me know if you think I would be able to turn this home into my glam home. Of course, you gotta check out the comment section to find out my favorite thing about the house. And please let me know your favorite thing as well and what you did not like. I'm looking forward to see you on the next video. Make sure you hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. Thanks for stopping by. Love you always. Bye-bye. Mwah.